Hello, good morning. This is a demonstration video on how to grade your students' assignments. First is you need to go to your lesson. I'm sorry, my lesson is already in the grid format. So you just click the lesson and then you need to go to your assignment bin. So once you click your assignment bin, you will see here. Number of participants, I have 6, but only 2 submitted yet. Anyways, the due date is still tomorrow. But if I want to start checking this time, I could click grade. If I want to see who are the ones who submitted, I could click view all submissions. So as I click view all submissions, I could see that Kevin and Alexa already submitted their performance, their worksheet, but Kevin submitted it in a PDF, while Alexa in a JPEG. Note that once it will be in PDF, you could view it immediately, but once it's in JPEG or in Word file, you could not view it immediately. You need to download it. So you click grade, then you could start checking. Remember that once we start checking, we could not erase any check marks. I don't know how to erase it yet. So first is you need to set your quiz. Here, if you'll see my quiz, there's the grade out of 25. I've set it that my perfect score for this quiz will be 25. But if we have not set it, it will automatically give you 100. So how will you set your quiz? So go back to your assignment bin. Here, you can edit the settings of your assignment bin. And then go to grade. At the bottom part, you'll see the grade. And then you need to set the maximum grade, 25 points. The grade here means the score. So maximum of 25 points. And then you could save and return to course. But then we need to go back again to our assignment bin. Then click grade. And it's there. I already set my grading out of 25 points. So how to check it? There are 2 ways. You could either use this loop. This loop means pen. It could give you a check or an X, like if it's check, okay, check. But if there's also another way, the sticker at the side, you could use the stamp, you could use X mark, it will give them an X if you click it, X. Or a check if it's correct. Or you could also grade them with a sad face for correct and a smiley. Then, if you have comments, you need to place it here. Like if you want to let them know of some specific, or like you want to give them your answer key, then you could type it here. Or if you have other comments, then place it here. Then you could also grade it. Like for example, 20 out of 25. If you're done, you could see the changes alone, or another is you could save and show next. If you're looking for the next page, because it will just give you the first page, just click this arrow. It will give you the second page of your worksheet. Then we could go save and show next. My next student has no attempt. It means no submission yet. I like to save and show next. My next student has a submission like this one, submitted for grading, not graded yet. So it's in JPEG file, but I could still see it. So you could make some marks here. And then once you're done, you could save and show next. The next student has no attempt. It means no submission yet. Save and show next. And also the last student has no submission yet. So once you're done, you see the changes, then you could go back to your assignment bin. Now, how to see the scores of your students? To see the scores of your students, you need to go back to your Math 7 lesson, to your main lesson. Then you need to click this one, these 3 bars. At the bottom in the navigation bar, you will see Math 7 participants, badges, competencies, grades. You can click grades, and then you will see the grades, the scores of your students. Remember, it's in assignment B in number 5. I only graded Kevin, so there's the score, 20. And once you finish grading, it will give you the overall score and also the average score. So that's how to grade your, what's this? Your students' outputs. No need to turn editing on. That's the end. Happy checking.